Okay, hello guys. In this video, I'll be talking to you about Jvzoo affiliate marketing. Jvzoo affiliate marketing, and we'll also be talking about the best source of traffic for affiliate marketing. Now, the best source of traffic for affiliate marketing is free traffic. So I'm going to be showing you how to get free traffic for your Jvzoo affiliate marketing. Now, so let's go forward and let's go in as I show you what you need to know before you start marketing products on Jvzoo. Now, the topics we're going to be covering is Jvzoo affiliate marketing, the best way to promote Jvzoo products, best Jvzoo products, Jvzoo top selling products, how to research keywords for a niche, and keywords are why keywords why are keywords important in research. So these are the things we're going to covering in this video, and I want you guys to know that if you actually want to make money as an athlete or want to make money using Jvzoo or any other platform of your choice, you need to understand what I'm about to teach you in this video because it's very important and very crucial for your success as an athlete marketer online. If you really want to do well in affiliate marketing, you need to listen to what I have to say in this video. So I need to listen, pick up your pen and biro and start jotting and taking notes. Because what I'm about to share with you is something that's going to change your life and something that's going to change the way you see and view affiliate marketing. So let's move forward. Now, we're going to be starting with the best JVC products and the top selling JVC products, and I will talk about the best way to promote JVC products. So let's head on to my browser and let's go in and let's see Jvzoo right here. So as you can see, I'm logged in to my Jvzoo account, and once you get to Jvzoo, this is where you're going to land. You're going to land on your dashboard. Once you log into Jvzoo, you just go to jvzoo.com because we're talking about Jvzoo affiliate marketing. So that's why I'm going to Jvzoo. So we're in Jvzoo right now. I've logged into my account, and then once you log into Jvzoo dashboard, you come to products. You click on products, and then you click on top sellers. Now we are on the top sellers page right here, and as you can see, we have this is the top. We have the products, we have the information products, we have the funnels. These are the three sections we have, and as you can see, each section or each topic, each column here has 10 products under it. 10 products. So all the products we have here are 30 products. So these are products that the top selling products for today. As you can see, this is today. So, but this is not what we want now because we're looking for products that are the best and the top selling. So to get the top selling products on Jvzoo, now you come down to here, you click on today, and then you click on the past 30 days. Now this page is going to load, and what you're going to see on this page is you're going to see products that have been selling for the past 30 days. Now, products that have been selling for the past 30 days are products that are products that have been tested, they have been proven, they are products that have been converting for 30 good days, and their sales is still coming in, people are still earning from them. So these are products that will definitely convert if you promote them. Now, if you want to start as an affiliate marketer, you don't just go into any platform and pick a product you like or you think is fancy or sounds nice or looks nice and then start promoting. No, you have to sell something that is already selling, something that converts, something that has a good record of sales over time. That's the product you pick. So now I just showed you guys the top selling products on Jvzoo. I showed you guys the top selling products on Jvzoo. Now, these are the best products, the top selling products for the 30 days. These are the best products. Now, so what's the best way to promote Jvzoo products? What's the best way? What's the best way? Now, the best way to promote these products, like you want to promote these products, and now I've told that these products are the best products and they are products that you can promote because why? They are top selling. Now, so what is the best way to promote these products? What's the best way to promote these products? So this now leads us to keyword research. You need to do keyword research for these products, and then you're going to write articles on those keywords, and then you're going to have those keywords. You're going to put those articles on your blog or on places like Medium and on sites that has good authority, so you can rank on the top 10 of Google. So I'm going to pick this product, this second product under information products. This product is 100 AI site hustles. That's what this product is about. So the keyword for this product, if you open up the page right here, this is the JV page. This is information about the affiliate information page on Jvzoo here. Oh, sorry. This is the sales page. Sorry, this is the sales page of that very product. So as you can see, AI side hustles. Get instant access to 100 powerful AI side hustles you can use to sell for 100% profit. Now, as you can see here, this is showing you this product is all about AI side hustles. So the keyword or the topic that this product is all about is side hustles. The topic is AI side hustles. So now the best way to promote products is to pick the keyword, to look at the sales page of the product and understand the topic of the product and what the product is all about, the keyword as well as all about, and then pick that keyword and then do a research on that very keyword to look for easy or rankable keywords you can write articles on and then rank on the top 10 of Google. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We're going to use Ahrefs. Ahrefs um, has a free this is a free keyword generator that helps us generate free keywords whenever we want, and it is totally free, though the tool is paid, but this is a free version that with a little limitations, but we still get what we want. We still get to see keyword. It generates keywords that we're going to need. So let's do the research and let's see what we're going to get from this very keyword right here. So the page is going to load, and once it loads, we're going to see keywords that we need right here. So waiting for the page to load. I need this page to load so that we can understand. We can easily get keywords that we need to rank for. So we click on this and you click on the verify. Once you click on verify, you wait for it to load. Now it's going to show you, it's going to load the keyword right now. Once it's done verifying, I see success, and now it's showing us keywords. So these are the keywords he brought out. It brought out. So you can see the side hustle itself is hard. The KD here stands for keyword difficulty, and the volume talks about how many search volume this keyword gets every month. So it gets over 10,000 search volumes monthly. It generates over 10,000 volumes monthly. This side hustles. Now, but now the keyword difficulty tells us that this side hustle is very hard. It's hard. We can't go there. We can't rank for it. So we look for something simpler that has to do with easy. Now you see, letter writing side hustle is easy and it makes sense. We can write an article on letter writing and they will promote the AI side hustles from letter writing. So now we copy this, and then I'll go to Ahrefs keyword difficulty checker. It's going to show me how easy it is, how easy it will be for me to be able to rank on the top 10 of Google. Now I'm showing you guys the steps you need to take. So it's loading. I've done this before, that's why you see it's already red there and it's loading. I tested the keyword before to show uh, that is nice. So the page is going to load now, and then you're going to see what it is that this keyword is all about. So verify. It's verify right now. So the page is going to load, and once the page loads, it's going to show us the details we need to. So you can see the keyword difficulty for this is easy, and it shows us the difficulty is 1, and we estimate that you need followed backlinks from 2 websites to rank on the top 10 of Google. So if you have a very good blog with much authority, you can easily rank on the top 10 of Google for this keyword. And then in your article, you spread your affiliate link in within the article like 2 or 3 times, and then once people comes and read your blog, they they click on your affiliate link, and then they make a purchase. So now, to once you've confirmed your keyword, the next thing to do is to write an article or do a video on for this very keyword, and then put your affiliate link on it. You can do, if you're doing a video, you put a video on YouTube, and then you put your affiliate link in the description. So, in the description of the video. So this is our AI. I'm going to show you this is the AI. This is the free AI writer I'm talking about here. Now, all the links to the pages I'm visiting will be in the description, so you can check out the description and you find all those links there. Now, this is Grammarly's free AI writer. As you can see, free AI writer. It writes unique blog posts, creates unique content for social media, blog posts, documents, and more with just a few clicks. So we're gonna click on I'm writing an article. Yeah, so I pick article, and then I continue, and then I put in my keyword here. This is my keyword. So I click on continue. This is optional. So I click on create content. So waiting for the page to load. It's going to load right now. Oh, I don't know why the page is taking time to load. So I just reloaded the page. So we put in article there. We come back in. We put in slide hustles. We create content. I just want to show you how you create content. For the keyword you have professor, it has created a content for you right here. So all you need to do is just copy this, and once you copy it, you can say this is almost 400 to 500 words here of articles. But if you want something longer, you can just easily go to ChatGPT, go into ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT to give you an article outline. And once it gives you the article outline, from the article outline from the article outline, you can easily generate a very long blog post with your article, and that will help you to rank faster. Now, hmm, that's the easy way to get. That's the easy way to get to promote Jvzoo products. Now, that's the easiest way to promote Jvzoo products. So, if you really want to make success with affiliate marketing, you need to listen, watch, sit down, watch this video all over again. Go to the site I showed you people. I'll put in the links in the description of the of this video. So go through it, check everything, and then make sure you understand and practice. Do more keyword research, understand keyword very well so that you can know how to get traffic from Google and then get make and have them buy from you. So I'll see you guys in a jiffy. So that is how we're gonna that is where we're gonna end this video for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.